In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with invoicing in QuickBooks Self-Employed. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just looking to streamline your workflow, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to get your invoicing system up and running smoothly. So, let's dive right in. First, we'll begin by logging into your QuickBooks Self-Employed account. If you're not yet signed up, you'll want to create an account through their website. Once you've successfully entered your credentials, you'll land on your personalized dashboard. This gives you a broad overview of the financial aspects of your self-employed business. But for now, let's focus on invoicing. Next, navigate to the Invoices tab. You'll find it prominently displayed in the main menu on the left side of the screen. Clicking on this tab takes you to a new page dedicated to managing all things related to creating and tracking invoices. Here, you'll see options to view previous invoices, check their status, and manage payments. But let's focus on starting fresh by setting up your invoice preferences. On this page, you have the opportunity to customize your invoices to reflect your brand accurately. Look for the Settings or Preferences button, usually represented by a small gear icon. Clicking on this lets you adjust details like your business name, logo, and contact information. Adding these personal touches not only enhances your brand identity, but also establishes professionalism in your client interactions. Remember, consistency is key, so take a few moments to ensure everything appears just the way you want. With your preferences neatly set up, you're ready to create your first invoice. Back on the main Invoices page, you'll typically find a Create Invoice button. Click this to start drafting a new invoice. You'll be prompted to enter crucial details such as the client's name, the service or product being billed, and the amount due. Accurate and thorough information here eliminates any potential confusion and ensures clients know exactly what they're being billed for. As you input the details, you'll also find options to add additional fields like due dates and notes. These help clarify payment terms and convey any supplemental information your client might need. Taking advantage of these fields can significantly enhance the clarity and effectiveness of your invoices. After reviewing everything, you're ready to send off your invoice. QuickBooks allows you to email the invoice directly to your client, making it incredibly convenient and efficient. Before hitting send, double check all the information. Once confident everything is in order, go ahead and dispatch it. And there you have it. You've now successfully set up and sent your first invoice using QuickBooks Self-Employed. With this system in place, managing your business transactions should become consistent.